Hey, my name is Natasha. I am continuing this drawing tutorial that I started. I honestly have been putting off doing this because I get really anxious in front of the camera, and when sharing my personal feelings and things that make me vulnerable in front of people, it can be hard. So I wanted to put those feelings aside today and just start doing art because it makes me feel better. And even if you don't watch this whole thing, maybe you get one thing from it, and if you do that, it's perfect. So here we go. Here is this drawing of my friend's dog. See, with this dog, I actually redrew the eye over here because what I noticed is that the eye is shaded over a little bit by some of his fur. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And part of this process for me is actually fixing the overall structure of the face, or how I've drawn it. Now I'm using a 6B, which is just a darker pencil. It's just so clear. You can easily see this line already. It's so much darker, and it's perfect for shadows. Oh my god, I cannot draw this fucking keychain. I make mistakes a lot. You're not gonna notice until you're actually really looking at it. This is actually his paw. Isn't that cool? Anyway, so I'm gonna try to incorporate that if possible. Okay. Favorite part, when you kind of get to mess with the texture a bit, and this is for me why having the right paper is important. I've decided I'm not going to be in the video anymore. Back in frame. Yeah, that was drawing this dog, round 2, the series. So thanks for bearing with me. I'm going to basically go over this piece again and again, just shading and continuing to shade so that it looks like the way that we need it to. I guess I'll see you next time. Not sure what the video will be, if there will be a video, but stay posted, and I will talk to you soon.